This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Manual transmission oil renewal. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. If the wheels need to be removed, fit the locking wheel nut adapter and slacken the wheel nuts. Position the jack under the vehicle. Raise the vehicle using the jack, position axle stands, then lower the vehicle onto the stands. Remove the jack. If the front wheels need to be removed, the nuts can now be undone and the wheels removed from the vehicle. Remove the left-hand wheel. Remove the retaining screws at the front and rear of the engine under tray and lower the tray. Remove the under tray. Place a suitable draining container under the vehicle, beneath the transmission. The drain plug is located on the left-hand side of the transmission as viewed from the driver's seat. Unscrew and remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. When all the oil has drained, fit a new sealing washer to the drain plug, then refit the plug. And tighten it with a torque wrench. Use a cloth to wipe clean the area around the drain plug, then remove the drain container from under the vehicle. Select first gear and chock the front wheels. Position the jack under the rear of the vehicle at the correct point as shown and use the jack to raise the vehicle. Position axle stands. Then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Wipe clean the area around the filler or level plug and unscrew the plug from the casing. Fill the transmission through the filler plug opening with the correct type of oil until the oil begins to run out. Using a syringe to fill the oil makes this process easier. Fit the filler or level plug with a new seal where fitted and refit the plug. And tighten the filler or level plug. Refit the wheels and tighten the wheel nuts. Position the jack and raise the rear of the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. Position the engine under tray. Refit and tighten the retaining screws to secure the under tray in place. Tighten the wheel nuts. This is how the under tray should appear once refitted, showing the correct location of all screws.